Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React testing library. Today we are going to learn the fireEvent.click event in React testing library. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So now we are going to do with the user interaction. Okay, with the help of the button click, like simulates clicking on the DOM element. Okay, so just fireEvent.click. This function mimics a user clicking a button. So user clicking a button or linking in your document. So this is a click event. It dispatches a synthetic click event to the element, triggering the corresponding event handler attached to the element. It is crucial for testing interacting features for your React components and ensuring they respond correctly to the user clicks. So, so it expects the element, right? This is the DOM element you want to simulate a click on. It can be obtained using the methods screen get role or screen get by text to find the element before triggering the click event. So let's take an example, then you will clear much more on it. So we are having the button component. Let's create it. So I'm going to create the button component.js. Okay, so here let me add this function and let's export default the button component. Okay, now add the test case of it dot test dot js file. So let's create a test case. So let's import the required packages in the component. So here we have the button component. Let's copy and add this button component and we are ready to go. Okay, we require the fire event also. Okay, let's go and check, is it working? So here we have, okay, so I think we have, no, the file name would be button dot, sorry, button component dot test dot js. What will happen? So the test cases is passed. Here you can see that assertion is passed, right? So button click calls handler. So here you can see we have a mock handler that is just dot function. Then we are going to render the button component. So here we have a mock handler. So there is a click event. Okay, so first we declare a variable button. So we're going to text get by text. So we are getting the text with the help of the get by text, that is click me. So here we have a button, right? So here we have a click me. So first we are checking this text is there or not. After that we are going to assert that value. Okay, if it is found the component, then to have been call times. So this is another matcher. Okay, so here this we are going to call this like how many times it is called. Okay, so here we go with this one. So let me go to the explanation. So here we can see that to have call times match is matcher that is used in the jest. Consequently, in the React testing library, which is built on the top of the jest to verify how many times a function has been called. So this is particularly useful when testing interactions such as event handlers. So where it is useful when you are trying to test the interactions such as event handler, user interaction in that case. Okay, so the button component renders a button with the onClick handler set to mock function mock handler. We test if clicking the button calls the handler, right? we use the screen get by text to find the button and then call the fireEvent.click on the button element. After that, we use this fireEvent.click. That means user interact and click on the button. After that, we use expect from the jest to assert that the mock handler function was called at least once. Okay, so this is the explanation of that code. So whenever we want to write a test case with the user interaction with the fire event or the click event, we have to use like this. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.